Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you from its new time slot of 4 p.m. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All that stuff out of the way, let's begin. Today, we have the PCP Sandwich. We're going to start off by generously mayonnaising giving a layer of mayonnaise to our sub rolls here, both sides. And then adding a nice layer of pepperonis, the deli style one, aka the larger ones. And then some deli style chicken meat. Most delis have this. If for whatever reason yours doesn't, then just cook up some chicken breasts and shred them. Anyway, we want a nice little layer of that. And finally, some nice pepper jack cheese. See, PCP, pepperoni, chicken, and pepper jack. And then, once we've got our sandwich all cheesed up, gonna pop it into an oven that's set to 425 degrees till basically the cheese is melted, ooey and gooey, and wonderful. So, about 5 minutes or so. Alright, through the magic of cooking show editing, our sandwich is done out of the oven. And we're going to finish this off by adding some pickles to it. Nice little drizzle of Italian dressing. And some nice shreddis, or shredded iceberg lettuce. And then some thinly sliced red onions. And then, of course, some tomatoes. Put the top on. And that's pretty much that. Then we want a good little cross section here. Realize that I have not cut all the way through. And boom. There we go. So the PCP sandwich. Done.